it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to tell you guys the best credit cards you can apply for if you have bad credit. And these credit cards can approve you all the way up to $10,000. So if you're trying to get approved for credit cards, then definitely stick around because I'm going to tell you guys the credit cards you guys can definitely get approved for. Now, I made this video before in 2020 and a lot of people still are watching it. So I decided, let me go ahead and remake this video because so much has changed and I want to make sure I put those changes in this video. Now, if I ever have the arrow up there, make sure you guys click that link that I have provided because it's most likely linked to an account, or it may be another video that I think you guys may like. Now, if this is your first time watching my video, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like this video, comment, share it, and let me know if you have any questions. Drop a question down in the comment about this video, or if I tell you guys about a special credit card that I'm telling you guys about, just go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know if you was able to get approved for it, what was the requirements, so that other people can know about that credit card. So the first credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Tumo credit card. So Tumo, I really like them because they can approve you for a credit card without actually checking your credit at all. Like, they don't look at your credit at all, but what they do is they look into your banking history. So they're going to look into your banking history, see what type of deposits you have coming in, how much you have saved. They're going to see if your account was ever overdrawn, and then they're going to decide how much they can approve you for. Now, they can approve you all the way from $100 to $10,000. So that's right at the number that I told you guys about. So if you guys want to get approved for a credit card, I suggest you guys try to see if Tumo can approve you. Now, again, you're not going to get a hard inquiry on your credit reports. They're going to check your banking history. Some people just get a credit card because they want to actually build their credit. So for you guys to really build your credit and boost your credit score, you need to make sure that you have an account or a credit card company reporting to the credit bureaus that you're paying on time. So I am so happy that Credit Sesame is actually sponsoring this video because they have an account called the Sesame Cash account. Now, all it is, you guys, is just like a normal debit card. That's all it is. But the thing is, you can sign up for an additional feature that they have where they can actually report your payment to things that you're using with your debit card. They can report that to the credit bureau, which would actually boost your credit score. Now, you guys can get up to 10% back at Sam's Club. You guys get 5.6% back at Home Depot. So those people that's buying a house, like, this is perfect. You're going to need these different things. And understand that you guys can get your credit scores from Credit Sesame. And as your credit score go up, they're going to actually give you rewards. So every 10 points your credit score go up, they're going to give you $10, and that's going to be up to $100. Like, how cool is that? You guys don't have any account fees, and they're going to give you up to $100 as your credit score go up. So definitely go ahead and download the app, and then go ahead and look in the comments. And actually, I have the little link right here. Go ahead and click that link and sign up for an account with them. Again, it's free. Sign up for it. I know for sure if you guys get this account, if you guys do exactly what you need to do in terms of signing up for it and you complete the full process, when it reports to your credit reports, your credit score should go up, because that's all you want them to do. You want them to report to the credit bureaus so the credit bureaus can see you have positive accounts and it can boost your credit score up. So thank you so much, Credit Sesame, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and click that link and sign up. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is similar to that Tumo credit card. So this credit card is the Pedal 2 credit card. Now, with this credit card, again, they're going to look at your banking history. They're not going to actually give you that hard inquiry. So I suggest you guys check out the Pedal 2 credit card. Now, they can approve you all the way up to $10,000. Now, understand, everybody is not going to get the $10,000. It's going to really depend on your banking history. So just try to see if they can pre-qualify you for the credit card. You don't have to worry about getting a hard hit, so why not just try it? So go ahead and check out the Pedal 2 credit card. Now, if you guys ever have any questions for me, please go ahead and schedule a call. I have that link down in the comments. Schedule a call. We can go ahead and help you with whatever questions that you may have. Now, the next two companies I want to talk to you guys about have so many different credit cards, but listen, they can pre-qualify you for a credit card. So that's what I like the most about them. So you guys can look into Capital One and you guys can look into Discover. So like I said, you can get pre-qualified for these credit cards. So that's not going to be a hard inquiry on your credit reports. And they'll let you know, hey, we can actually pre-qualify you for this credit card. And you can decide, do you want that credit card or not? If you do not want the credit card, then you don't have to worry about any damage being done to your credit reports in terms of a hard inquiry, because it's just a pre-qualification. They have secure credit cards. They even have regular credit cards. They have credit cards with 0% APR. They also have a lot of credit cards with cash back and other rewards. So definitely go ahead and check these two companies out. Make sure you guys comment below if you ever try any of these cards. Like, we all need to know. A lot of you guys are watching these different videos and you're going through the comments. So if you can help someone out by saying, hey, I had a Capital One credit card before and this is what I've done, this is what I have done, please go ahead and drop that down below, because that can help so many different people. Now, this is the main reason why I wanted to make this video, and that reason is because we used to have an account, and I say we because I signed up for these accounts and my credit score dropped as soon as they stopped reporting. But we used to have an account called the My Jewelers Club and a New Coast Direct. Now they're no longer reporting to people credit reports, so I want to make sure I remake this video, because a lot of people were signing up for these accounts and it would cost like $150 or $175 to get started with these accounts. And that's really why I like the Credit Sesame, because you don't have any fees and they can start reporting to the credit bureaus. So you don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, I have to pay $150 and then I really don't have anything to show for it. You know, they're just going to report to the bureaus. But you guys can get that with the Credit Sesame. Now again, they don't have the New Coast Direct or the My Jewelers Club anymore, so I suggest that you guys just check out the Credit Sesame, because that's going to really help so many people, especially if you're trying to boost your credit. When I first started learning about credit, I had so many different credit cards and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't pay the balance on a lot of these credit cards. So I actually went to my local credit union because I thought, let me just lower my car payment. And I asked them to refinance my car, and they did. They cut the payment in half, but they also offered me a $6,000 credit card with them. And I never thought, let me get a credit card with the credit union. But that's what I'm suggesting that you all do. Go to your local credit union and see if they can actually approve you for a credit card. Now, I suggest you guys go to a credit union that probably got like 1, 2, or 3 locations, because if they have that many locations, then you can find out the location of the person that's going to actually approve you for that credit card. Usually it's an in-house approval, in terms of like when I went and I applied for a credit card, the person I was talking to was going to say yes or no. So she was like, oh yeah, Rickita, I can get you a credit card. So they gave me that $6,000 credit card, and at the time my credit score was only 620. So I definitely want you guys to go to your local credit union. Now on my channel, I usually tell you guys about the Navy Federal Credit Union. So if you guys don't have a credit union in your local area that you can try to get a credit card with Navy Federal Credit Union, because they can also pre-qualify you. So that means no hard inquiry, and they'll let you know exactly what you can get approved for. And push turn to shove, they have something for you, because they have a secure credit card, and that secure credit card is awesome. You can just put $200 down. In 6 months it's going to increase to a $2,000 credit card. So definitely go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Make sure you guys click the link for the Credit Sesame Cash account, and I know this is going to help you guys, so make sure you guys click that link and leave me a comment. Come back here and tell us how it worked for you all. I know this is going to be an awesome account for you guys, and check out these other videos, because I'm pretty sure some video here is going to be a video that you'll really love.